Hey guys, it's Caroline from the Shuckin CD. We are selling our drink kits to go, and today I'm talking to you about some mimosas. It's really easy, simple, and they're delicious. And you don't just need to have them on Sundays or Saturdays for lunch. So what we're doing here is we're doing, I'm gonna use a split here because I'm not gonna waste a whole bottle of champagne because it's gonna be for you. So you wanna do 6 ounces of champagne. We'll do a little splash of orange juice, and a fresh orange. And if you want to shack it up, you can use a pint glass and add your favorite tequila or favorite orange vodka with maybe a little raspberry simple syrup. Y'all have a great day. We miss y'all.